Hi, this is Priyanshu. In today's video, we are going to see that our 7th class chapter 2 of mathematics, fraction decimals and rational numbers, and in this we are going to see the solution of our exercise 1. Okay, this is related to our Telangana State Board, and in the end of this video you will have not a single doubt in this exercise 1. I teach mathematics to the weak student, and don't worry about in this exercise. If you have any doubt or any confusion in this exercise, then in the end of this video you will have not a single doubt in this exercise. Okay, so let's start this exercise here. So the first question is that compute and express the result has a mixed fractions. Okay, so actually here what we have to do, we have to solve these questions. Okay, we have to solve these questions and then we have to convert that into the mixed fraction. Okay, first we have to solve this question, then we have to, whatever the answer is there, we have to convert that answer into the mixed fraction. Okay, so I hope it is clear here. So let's solve one by one question here. So actually here it is a first question, and I take the black pen to write the question because it's look amazing. Okay, so the first question is that, okay, the first question is this: 2 plus 3 by 4. Okay, now let's solve this question. Okay, so I will solve this with black pen. Okay, otherwise I will take the green pen. Okay, right. So actually before I'm going to solve this question, one thing always remember, here it is a 4 in the denominator. The upper part is known as numerator and the down is known as denominator. Okay, so here you will see 3 and 4, there is a numerator. In the down this is a denominator, but here there is only one single 2, but we have to mark like that. In this 2 is a numerator, and there is a, in the downwards there is a nothing. So here when there is a no denominator, here it is a denominator is there, but here it is not there. So whenever you see there is a no denominator, that means that there is a always 1. So here it is always 1. If you write or if you didn't write, 1 is always there. It is a rule of mathematics. Okay, when you write like that in the fraction success, you can see there is a fraction, there is a 4, it is a denominator, that's right, but here there is a no number, so we cannot take as 2 or 3. Any number we cannot take in the denominator. If there is a no denominator in the number, if numerator is there, this is a numerator, numerator is there, denominator is not there, so we will always take 1. So I hope you will understand. If you didn't understand, let's take the example. This is 3 and 4, this is plus 6, then what will be in the down? So here it is a numerator, here denominator, so here numerator is there, in the denominator there is always not 2, it is wrong. So what we have to take, we have to always write 1 in the denominator. So here it has only 1. Okay, is it clear? Now I hope it is clear to you, dear. Now actually, you know, I explain mathematics very clearly because no one student get doubt. Okay, I clear all the doubts. I explain each and every points, okay, where student get doubt. Okay, right? So let's start here. So this is given, right? 2 plus 3 by 4. Okay, now let's solve this one here. So before solving this, we already know that here it is a 1 because it's there. So before we first of all going to solve this one, we need to find the LCM. Okay, so let's find the LCM. So this is 1 and this is 4. When you take the LCM, we will divide with 2. 1, that's the same. This 2, then we will do with 2, then 1 1. Okay, both. So then we can do with 1 also, then same. So nothing we have to do, just leave it like that. When you multiply 2 ones that's 2 into 2, that's 4. 4 into 1, 4 only, that's the 4 only. So what we get LCM has 4. So where we have to write the LCM, we have to write the LCM in the downwards. Okay, actually I explain here how the students do in our Telangana. They like, here I will write 4 again. Okay, let's see, this is for the this is a second example. Okay, this is second example, this is first one. So here what we have to do, we have to count the 1 in the one table. If you count the one table, how many times you will count, then you will get 4. If I count 1 2 3 and 4, if I count one table 4 times, then I will get in the 4 times I will get 4. So here we will multiply with the 4. So how the Telangana student do here? They count 1 in one table 4. How many times the 4 is there? 4 times. So they directly write 2 cross 4. Then after they add plus symbol. Then how they are write? Then after they count in the 4 table, how many times 4 is there? 1 times. So they multiply 3 into 1. Like that they do. Then they do, this is 4 2s are 8 plus 3. Then they are writing 4. Okay, so nice answer is 11 by 4. They write like that. Okay, but actually there is a shortcut also. Simply you don't need to do this one. Okay, how will you do? Directly you can do, like here if you count in one table, if you count how many times the 4 is there, 4 times. Okay, 4 times is there, so 4 2s are, just directly multiply this. If you count 1 in one table, how many times? 4 times. So 4 into 2, then you multiply, that is the 8. Okay, simply you can write. Then here plus right. In 4 table, how many 4 in 4, how many times? It is 1 times. Then 3 into 1, that's the in one time only, so that's the 3 only, so this 3. Then what you have to do? You have to add 8 plus 3, that's the 11, and then you can write 11 by 4. So this is a simple things you can do. This one is also correct and this one is also correct. You can do with both of this. If your teacher say no, this is right, this is wrong, then tell to your teacher where it is wrong. So you will teacher, beta you didn't did this. Actually I did it, I directly did it. There is no rules of mathematics, you have to do like that only. If your teacher is doing, if you are adding 2 plus 4, it is 6. If your teacher is adding 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay, both are right only. Nothing, there is no rule like you have to add first of all this one only and then you will add this. There is nothing rule like that. Okay, if you ask to your teacher what is the 2 plus 4, your teacher will 6, but some students count 4 plus 2 6. Both are right only. Okay, so don't think about it like that. Okay, both are right, so you can do anything like, but I prefer this one only. But you can write this one also. I will go through this one, okay, because you will confuse, I don't know, but okay, you just look at this one. Okay, so first question is clear, so let's solve the second question. Okay, I will go to the solve the second question, so let's solve the second one. Okay, so I will write the second question here, then I will go through this one. Actually first question I didn't complete it direct in clearly way. We have to convert into mixed fraction also. So let's again we have to solve 2 plus 3 plus 4. Okay, second question I will also write here. This is a 7 by 9 plus 1 by 3. Okay, so let's see that one. Okay, now okay, so we already know that if you here it is always 1. If you take the LCM, this is going to be 4. In one table if you count 4, that's the 4 times. Then 2 cross 4, then it is plus. Then in 4 table it is 1 time. Then 3 cross 1, then it is going to be 8 plus 3. Okay, and then it is going to be 4. Then it is going to be 11 by 4. Okay, this is answer. And when you convert into the mixed fraction, how will you convert? You have to divide 4 by 11. Then if you divide, you will get 2. If you count in 11, there is no 11 in the 4 table. So if you count 4 3s, it's 12. It's more. So we will count 4 2s, then 8 3 is left. So how will you write? First we will write this one, then we will write this one, then we will write this one. So how will you write? We will write first of all, here we have to do like that. First of all write first this 4 in the downward, then second times this here second, then this here, and now you have to check this is right or wrong. Multiply 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3, that's the 11. So the answer is 11 by 3. Okay, so this is right. We will convert such things in the mixed fraction. Whenever you get doubt how to convert, just divide, then write this first one in the down, second one is here, third one is here. Okay, and when you multiply this one and when you add this one, if it is coming totally 11 by 4, then it is right. Okay, right, I hope you will understand here. Okay now, right, good boy. So I hope it is completed. So now let's see the another one question. So here the question, another question is there. This is a 7 by 9 plus 1 by 3. So if you take the LCM, okay, if you didn't take so if you take the LCM, 9 in 3, then 3 3s are and 3 1s are, then you take 3 1s are and this one, 3 3s are 9 1 to 1 9 9 into 1 9, that's 9 only. So if you take the LCM, that is the 9 only. In the 9 table, how many times if you count you will get 9? 1 times. So this is 7 cross 1. Here it is plus symbol, plus will be there. In 3 tables, how many times it's 9 is there? If you count 3 table, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9. If you count 3 3 is, so it means that in the 3 table 9 will be in the 3 times. So we have to multiply 1 into the 3 times. Okay, now so let's see. So then here what we have to do, we have to write the 9, then this is going to be 7, then plus this is going to be 3, and now this is a 10 by 9. So now we have to write this into mixed fraction. So how will we write this into the mixed fraction? We already know that 9 divisible by 10, 9 1 is 9, open. So we have to write first one this one, then second this one, then this one, over. This is our mixed fraction. Okay, actually my handwriting is something bad, so you can manage this. Okay na? Now let's see this. So write the third question. So I will write the third question here. This is the third question. 1 minus 4 by 7. Okay, now you can I can write this question also, because okay, because you know this is 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2. Okay, we will solve this one also, but let's solve this first of all, this one only. Okay, let me solve this question, then we will go through that. Okay, so let's write this one. So here it is there. If you take the LCM, we already told you, if it is nothing is there is always 1 in the denominator. So if you take the LCM, then it is going to be 7 only. In one table, how many times 7 is there? 7 times. So this is going to be 1 cross 7. There is a minus, put minus. In 7 table, how many times 7? 1 times only. So this is going to be 4 cross 1. Then after 1 into 7, that's 7, minus 4 into 1, that's the 4, then it is 7 only. Okay, now if you subtract 7 out of 4, it is going to be 3 by 7. Okay, now this is not possible. If you take the mixed fraction, it is not possible, because 7 out of 3, did you think it is possible? It is not possible, because it is a proper fraction. So in proper fraction we cannot do the mixed fraction, so this is not possible. Will you divide 7 by 3? It is not possible. We can divide 3 by 7, but not 7 by 3. Okay, I hope you will understand this one. Okay dear, so I hope it is clear. So now let's see the fourth question here. So I tried to write the fourth one question here. So the fourth question is that, so 2 by 2 by 3, okay, plus 1 by 2. So this is our fourth question. Okay, so how we will solve this one? Let's see. So here, before going to solve, we have to convert this mixed fraction into the normal fraction. So 2 into 3, that's the 6, and now we have to add 6 plus 2, that's going to be 8. So we will write 8 by 3. How we will write the 8 by 3? Because in the mixed fraction this is given 3 by 2. Okay, no, it's not like that. It is like 2 by 3. Okay, so here this and this we will multiply, and after the multiply, if you multiply this 3 into 2, that's the 6. After the multiply, these two numbers we will add with this 2. Okay, from this number, so we will add 2. So this is going to be 8. Okay, so now we will write 8 by 3. How will we write? Because 3 will be in the denominator, so we, as it is, we will write. So like that here it's happening. Okay na? So don't be confused how it is work. I don't know how they are did. Okay, so don't think about it. This is very simple. So this is 2 into 3, did 6. 6 plus 2, that's the 8. Then it is going to be 8 by 3, and here it is plus, here 1 by 2. Okay, if you take the LCM, so let's take the LCM. If you take 3 and 2 LCM, then 3 1s are 3, 2 will be left. If you take the 2 LCM, then 2 1s are 2. If you multiply 3 2s are, that's the 6. So the answer is 6 here. So in 3 table, how many times 6 is there? In 2 times, because 3 1s are, that's 3. 3 2s are 6. So in 2 times. So here we will multiply 8 into 2. Then it is plus, then we will write plus. In 2 table 6, how many times? 3 times. Then 1 cross 3. Okay na? Now I will erase this one here. Okay, so you can see right here we can write 16 plus 3 by 6. Now it is 19 by 6. Now we have to convert this into mixed fraction, so we can convert. Okay, 3 6 3s are 18, cross 1 is left, so we will write first this one. So first this one, then here we will write this, here we will write this. So this is our answer. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you. Okay na dear, if you have any doubt you can just directly tell to me. Okay, so don't worry about it, this is a very simple things. Okay na, I try to complete this exercise. I take a lot of time to explain this to you, but don't worry, I explain very clearly way to you. Okay, I don't go through the very fast, yeah, this you have to do such type of things and this one. No, I take a lot of time but explain each and every question to you. So this is a 8 by 6 minus 1 by 6. So how will you do this one? Simply we just have to take the LCM of this. So let's take the LCM. So this is 8 and 6. When you take the LCM, this is divided by 2, that's the 4, this is a 3. In 2 table if you count 8 4 times, in 2 table 6 is there, how many times? 3 times. Okay, so in 2 table 4 is how many times? 2 times. In 2 table there is no 3, we will directly write this. When you do with 2, this is going to 1. When you do with the 3, it is going to be 1. So now multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So what is our LCM? LCM is 24. So where we have to write? In the downwards we will write this one. Okay, so LCM is how much? LCM is 24. Okay na, so here we will write LCM is 24. In 8 table how many times 24 is there? 8 ones are 16, in 3 times is there, so we will multiply 3 with the 5, then minus is there, minus. In 6 table 24 how many times? 4 times, then we will multiply 4 into the 1 with 1, so 1 into 4, so it is going to be 5 3s are, that's 15, minus 1 into 4, that's the 4, this is going to be 24. Now when we subtract, it is going to be 1 by 24. So we cannot take this into the mixed fraction because it is not possible. When you divide 14 by 11, it is not possible. Okay, because it is in the proper fraction, so it is not possible things. Okay, right, I hope it is clear to you dear. Okay, so this is our last question of this one. We will solve this exactly. So this is the last question, this is a sixth one. So the sixth question is this is a 2, this is also 2 by 3. Okay, and plus this is a 3 and this is 1 by 2. So how we will solve this one? I already told you, because what we have to do here. Okay, so I will take this one. So here we have to multiply this one. So this is 2 into 3, this is the 6, 6 plus 2, this is 8. So this is a 8. Actually this is not looking okay, this is a pink color. Okay, so 2 into 3, that's the 6. Then after we will add here, this we will add from here. So 6 plus 2, that's going to be 8 by 3. Okay, in the downwards what is there, we will write same as it is. Then plus, here it is given 3 2s are 6, here we will add 6 plus 1, that's the 7. In the down, this 2 is there, same as it is, we will write. If you take the 3 and 2 LCM, that's the 3 1s are 3, 2 is left, then 2, then 2 1s are 2, then 3 into 2, that's 6. So LCM is 6. In 3 table 6 how many times? 2 times. In the 2 times it is there, so we will multiply 8 into 2, then here it is plus. Okay, in 2 table 6 how many times? 3 times, then we will multiply by 7 into 3. Okay na, right, so let's erase this one. So now what we have to do, we have to write again. So 8 2s are, that's the 16, plus in 7 3s are, that's the 20. Okay, and 6 is there, 6. When you add this one, it is going to be 30 and 40. This is going to be 40 by 6. So when you divide this 6 by 40, you know that 6 5s are 30, 6 6 are 36. So this is going to be 6 6 are 36, 4 is left. So we have to write first this one. So we will write first this one, then second this one, then we will write second this one, then this one here. Okay, so this is our answer of sixth one. Okay na, if you have any doubt in this one, anywhere if you confuse in this, then don't worry about it, you can just tell to me, because explaining this one I take a lot of time to explain this one question. But don't worry, I explain very slowly, but I explain all the question to you. Okay, this video is going to be I think it is 40 or 50 minutes, but don't worry, I explain each and every question to you. There is all, let's come to this, that's 1 hour. Okay, so this is our second question, arrange the following in ascending order. So I hope you know about the ascending order, because this big to a small or a small to big, which is ascending order. Ascending means we have to go through the a small to bigger number, this is the ascending order. So how will you do in the ascending order in the fraction? How will you arrange the ascending order in the fraction? Okay, so let me explain you. Before arranging this, let's solve the first question. So we have to arrange this in the ascending. So before going to this, let's do one thing. We have to take all the LCM of this. Okay, let's, how I'm taking to you, how I'm telling to you, do like that only. If you confuse 5 by 8, 5 by 6, and here the denominator is not totally same. If it is 2 by 5, if it is 3 by 5, if it is 6 by 5, then easily we can do. But here the denominator is totally different. So how will we say that which is a small? So before to find that which is a small, let's do that. What we have to do first we have to find the LCM of each of these. So let's find the LCM of 8, 6 and 2. So let's divide by 2. This is going to be 4, this is going to be 3, this is going to be 1. Now let's do with 2. This is 2, this is 3 will be there, 1 will. If you divide with 2 also, this is going to be 1, this is going to be 3, this is 1. Then you can do with the 3 also, this is 1 and 1. Now multiply, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So the LCM, what LCM we get? We get the LCM 24. Okay, so now let's keep the LCM 24 here. Okay, now nothing we have to do. What we have to do, LCM is 24, we already see that. Now we have to make the denominator totally same. Okay, so now what, just take the 5 by 8, write the 5 by 8 here. Okay, now in here 5 by 8 is there. So in 8 table 24 is how many times? In the, like if you count 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 21, that's the 24 only. In the 3 times the 24 is there, so we have to multiply by 3 in the downwards. In the abovewards also we have to make the multiply by 3. Our first aim is that to find this LCM, and now making this denominator totally same. Okay, so if you make this, if you got, this is going to be 15 by 24, same as it is. We will take 5 by 6 also. If you take the 6, how many times the 24 is there? 4 times. So we have to multiply the 4. If you count the 6 table, 24 is there how many times? 4 times. So that's why we are multiplying 4 with the downwards also, above also. So if you multiply, then 5 4s, that's 20. Okay, that's going to be 20, and here 6 4s, that's the 20. Okay, now you get it. Now this is 1 by 2 is there, this is 1 by 2. In 2 table how many times the 24 is there? In 12 times it is there. We have to multiply 12 in down and 12 in up also. Now it is going to be 12 and this is going to be 24. Now we get it, the denominator totally same. Okay, now what we get it? We get a denominator totally same, the 5 by 8. Okay, so here you can see this is 5 by 8, this is 5 by 6, this is 1 by 2. His denominator, if 5 by 8, what is its value? It is going to be okay, I will write with another pen. Okay, the value is that, so its value is 15 by 24. Okay, 5 by 6, this is going to be 20 by 24. Now this is 12 by 24, this is 1 by 2, it is going to be 12 by 24. This is the actually value of this. Now in this one, denominator is totally same. Now we can find that which is the, now we can arrange this into the ascending order. So how will you arrange? First we will write the, in this one which is a smaller, this is a smaller, we will write first 12 by 24. It means that we are writing the first 1 by 2. In the second 15 is there, so it is 5 by 8, so we will write 5 by 8. Here we will write 15 by no need to write this one, actually directly we can write like that, because 15, this is 15 24, and here it is, you can see in this, here in this one, here you can, okay, here we can see, okay, in here in 15 or 20 his denominator is totally same. In this one, which is greater, 15 or 20, which is greater? So here which is a smaller? 12 is a smaller, so what is the value? It's 1 by 2. And here which is a smaller? 15 by 4, so what is value? 5 by 8, we can write 5 by 8. Here 20, what is left? 5 by 6. So how we will arrange this into descending order, you understand. So now we can write this here, we can directly, you can write like that, and then you can write here 1 by 2 comma 5 by 8 comma 5 by 6. So this is your answer. Okay na, this is your answer. So same as it is we do with the second one also. First we will find the LCM. We will first, our aim is that to make the denominator same. So for making the denominator same, we have to find the LCM. Okay, so we will find the LCM of the 5, 3 and 8. So let's find the LCM. 5, this is 3, this is 10. Okay, let's find this. So I will do 5 ones are 5. In 5 table 3 is not there, but 10 is there. 5 2s are 10. Now if you solve, this is going to be in 3 ones are 3, 2 will be left like that. Then if you do with 2, then 2 ones are 2. 5 3s are 15. 15 2s are 30. So here we get LCM has a 30. We get LCM 30. Okay na? What is the LCM? This LCM is 30. So now what we have to do, we will write here 2 by 5. We will write 2 by 5. In 5 table 30 is how many times it is there? In 5 table 30 is there? Yes, it is there. How many times it is there? It is in 6 times. So we will multiply 6 downwards also and upwards also. It is going to be 12 by 30. It is clear. Now we will take 1 by 3. In 1 by 3, in 3 tables 30 is how many times? You will say it is 10 times. So we will multiply 10 downwards also, in upwards also. It is going to be 10 by 30. Okay, now here 3 by 10 is there. In 10 table 30 how many times? It is going to be 3 times. So we will multiply 3 with both sides, then it is going to be 30. You see, this is, if you see here, what we get 12 by 30, we get 10 by 30, we get 9 by 30. This denominator is totally same. These are the only numbers. This is 2 by 3, 1 by 3 and this is 3 by 10. These are the only numbers. Okay, these are the only numbers. In this one, this is a 10 na. In this one, which is a smaller? This 10 by 30 is small, that is 1 by 3. So what we have to write? We will write 1 by 3. Here which is a smaller, 12 by 30 or 9 by 30? Which is a smaller? 9 by 30. It is 3 by 10. We will write 3 by 10. In this one, 12 by 30 or 2 left, it is left, so this is, then we can write 2 by 3. So this is the our, okay, so this is the our answer. Okay, this is the our answer. You can write this one and then you can write this one. No need to write this. Okay na, you no need to write this one. We can write this one and this one, that's enough. Okay, right? Is it clear to you? If you have any doubt in this one, then you can tell. What I do in this one, if your denominator is not same, we will make the denominator first of all same, like 30 30 and 30. Then we will see the which is a smaller, which is greater. Here this is a smaller, then this is which part? It is 3 by 10. I written here 3 by 10 na. In this one 3 by 10 is right. I did mistake here only, I'm sorry. So here this is a smaller, right? This is 9 by 10. This is 3 by 10 is smaller. Okay, 3 by 10. Then this is 2 by 3. Okay, this is 1 by 3 na. Here 1 by 3 is small, then after 10 is smaller, so we will write 1 by 3, then after 2 by 3. So this is our answer. I'm really sorry for that, my small mistake actually. Okay, I didn't see that. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you. Okay na. Now this is our third question. Check, we have to check this one. Check the following square, whether in this square sum of the number in the row and each column along with the diagonal. So actually this is a magical box where we have to count. We have to add this row, and if the addition is totally same to the this row and this row and this row, then it is magical box. We have to see the diagonals. Okay, if it is totally same, then it have to also same, it have to also same, it have to, then we have to see with diagonal also it is same or not. Okay na. So how will we find that? Let's see this one here. Okay, so we have to find a diagonal wise. If you count, this is let's see this one. So denominator is same, so let's add 6 plus 7 plus 8. So if you add this one, then what will be? That's the 21 by 13. Okay, so this diagonal is 21 by 13. Now let's see this diagonal. If you count, this is 12 plus 7 plus 2. Okay, if you count, this is going to be 21 only. This is also 9 10 21 by 3. This diagonal is also correct. Actually here 6 by 13, 7 by 13 and 8 by 13. If you both denominator are same only na, so we directly add. When the denominator are same, then you can directly add or subtract. Remember this one, okay na? So the second box is also clear. Now let's see the third box. Now let's see this like that, okay? So let's see like that here. If you see, this is 6 plus 3 plus 12. If you count, it is also 21 by 13. Okay, this is also verified. Now let's see like that. So this is going to be 2 plus 11 plus 8. This is also 21 by 3. Okay, that's good. Now let's see like that. So what is it? It is 12 plus 1 plus 8. This is also 21 by 13. This is also 21 by 13 only. Okay na? Now let's see this one. So this is a 6, this is a 13, and this is a 2 by 13. So we will not write because these are the same. So if you multiply, if you add, this is going to be 21. Okay, this is going to 21 by 13 only. So it means that its all diagonals are same. When we add this diagonal from this row also, from this row also, from this row also, from this row, in any way, in any, if any row or any column with any diagonal, if you add, the answer will be 21 by 13. The answer will be 21 by 13 only. So it is same. Okay, so it is clear. So when you add with this diagonal, its answer will be this one only. When you add with this side also, answer will be this. If you add this side, answer will be same. If you add this, answer will be same. If you add like that also, answer will be this one. If you add like that also, answer will be same. Nothing will change in the answer, right? So let's see the question number 4th one. Actually the 4th question, this is a very interesting question. Okay, so so it have to see in your textbook. Okay, so in your textbook it is written like this: 5 by 2 by 3. Okay, and this is written like that: 3 1 by 5. Okay na? You can see in your textbook also, dear. Okay, if you have doubt, you can look at in your textbook. Okay, let's drink some water. Okay, water is more important because 30 minutes I am speaking, so that's why I drink it water. Okay, so don't worry, let's see this one. Bill. Okay, so now this is the questions. Okay, right. So what we have to do, we have to find the answer like that. What we have to do, just see that question. A rectangular sheet, rectangular, you know, this is a rectangular. Okay, this is a rectangular sheet paper, 5:1 by 3. It is telling that it is a 5:2 by 3 and centimeter long. It is long. This distance it is telling it is a 5:2 by 3 centimeter. It is long, and 3:1 by 5 wide. It means that it is telling this, it is the 1 by 5. It is wide. It is telling about this one. This is a long, this is a wide. It is telling this. Okay, now it is telling find a perimeter. Now it is telling you have to find the perimeter of this. So you know how we will find the perimeter? Like this is a rectangular. Okay, actually we have to take, this is a rectangular box. Okay, this is a rectangular box. This is 2, this is 1. If I take you find a perimeter, then how will you find perimeter? Perimeter means sum of all sides. What is the mean by perimeter? Perimeter means the sum of all sides. So we have to find the perimeter of all the sides. Okay, so here we can what we have to do, we will add this one. Like here it is there, so you can do like this. You can write the, this both are same, so you can write like that or like that. Then you can add, this is 2 to 4, 4 plus 2, that's 6 only. Or otherwise you can, what you do, you can do 2 multiply with this one, add this one. Okay, add this one and multiply by this 2. Okay, like 2 plus 1, add this one, this is going to be 3, and then multiply by 2, that's the 6 only. Both are same. So there is a simple reason. You can do what, you can write this with same here you can write, or here you can write and then add. Otherwise you can add this 2 and then multiply by 2. Okay, now what we do, we will not do like that. We will just use, we will write like that. What we have, how we will solve, we will write 2 and we will add this one. Okay, we will add 5 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 5. Okay, we will do like that because this is a formula. Okay, 2 plus b. Okay, length and breadth. Okay, this is a formula of perimeter, okay now, of rectangular sheets. Okay, you can see anywhere we can do. So how we will solve this one? Let's forget 2 here. Okay, let's forget 2. There is a 2, let's forget it. There is a nothing. Okay, if you multiply this is going to 15. 15 plus 2, that is the 17 by 3. Now here 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1, that's going to be 16 by 5. Now let's take the LCM. This is 2 like that. Okay, now forget this one. Let's see, this is a 17 by 3 only, and here this is 16 by 5. And when you take the LCM, 5 and 3, if you take the LCM, this is 3 and this is 5, this is going to be 3 manja, 5 will be left, this is going to be 5 manja, 5 3s are 15. So LCM is 15. In 3 table 15, how many times it is there? So in the 3 tables 15 is in the 5 times, so this is going to be 17 into 5. Then plus is there, plus. In 5 table 15 is how many times? 3 times. Then it is going to be 16 into 3. Now what we have to do? We can write like this, 15, and now 7 5s are, okay, 3, that's 85, plus this is 48. Okay, now add this 2. If you add this one, this is going to be 3 and 1, that's the 12 and 13, and this is 15. Now it is going to be multiply. Okay, now it is going to be multiply. So how we will multiply? We can here we can see the answer is what it is. Answer is 113 15. So here we get 113 by 15. Now we have to multiply this into 2. So let's multiply this one. Okay, now you can do this process also, and you can write here like that. Here we will come. Okay now, so after that we will multiply this one. Okay, so I will make it small, you will understand. Then multiply. Then how we will multiply? You can multiply 2 cross, this is 113 by 15. So if you multiply, this is a 1 in the downwards only, so it is going to be 6. This is 2, this is 2, and this is going to be 15 only. Okay, when you multiply this one, this is 3 only na, this is I written wrong here. Okay, I'm sorry, this is going to be, okay, so here it is 113 only, 133. Okay, this is 1 3 and 3. So when you multiply this one, 2 cross 133 by 15, so it is not possible, so we will write 6 and 2 by 15. So if you divide this number, if you divide 15 by 217, it is going to be mixed fraction as 17 11 by 15. So this is your answer when you divide 15 by 266. Okay, then you will find the answer. Okay now, so this is our answer of first question. Okay, is it clear? Okay dear, I hope it is clear to you and you will not have a doubt. Let's see our fifth question. Okay, the receipt required 3 1/2 cups. Okay, so it is telling that what it is telling, that 3 1/4 a cup of flour. Radha has 3/8 cup of flour. Radha, okay, the recipe required 3 that much cup of flour. Radha has 3/8 of cup of flours. Okay, so Radha have how much? Radha have 3/8. Radha have 3/8 cup of flour. How many more cups of flour does Radha need? So when we subtract from this one, because if I tell you for making the chocolate, for making a dairy milk chocolate, you need 8 chocolates. Okay, for the making the dairy milk chocolate, for dairy milk you need 8 chocolates. If you have 4 chocolates, then how many chocolates you need? So for making the dairy milk you need 8 chocolates, but you have already 4 chocolates. So how many chocolates you need? When you subtract, you will get 4 chocolates you need. Like that only for making the flour, that much cup of needed. But Radha have already 3/8 cups of flour. Then how many cups you need? When we subtract, we will get the answer. Okay, right? So let's see this one, how we will write this one. So now when you do this one, first convert this into the fraction. 4 into 3, this is the 12. 12 plus 1, this is going to be 13/4, then minus 3/8. So when you take the LCM of 4 and 8, then this is going to be 4 1 jar, this is 4 2 jar, then you multiply, this is going to be 8 only. In 4 table, how many times of 8? It is 2 times. So then it is going to be 3 into 2, then plus In 8 table, how many times? It is 1 times. So 3 cross 1 it is. So when you do this one, this is going to be 26 plus 3, and then it is going to be 8. Now it is, if you write this one, it is going to be 29. Okay, I think it is going to be wrong, right? I think it is, let's see the question. I think question is wrong, I think. Wait a minute, because it is, question is 1 by 4 or something. Okay, let's see. Because if you do this one, it is going to be 19 by 8. Okay na? And when you do this, okay, so let's see the question first of all, because so okay, so answer is right only. So here, you know what it is happening, here it is 1 by 8 is there. Okay, so when you do this one, so it is going to 8 plus 3, it is 11. 8 9 10 11. So this is going to be 11. So here it is 11. So it is going to be what? It is going to be 11 here only. Okay, now if you do this one, this is going to be 26, right? And okay, 8 plus 3 11. Okay, right. So now it is going to be your 7 and 3, that's the 37 by 8. And now what it happened, let's see, actually we don't have to add here. Oh my god, let's start this question again. What I did, you know, sometimes a small mistake can change all the problems. So here the question is 3. Okay, so one mistake I did it here, 1 by 4 it is. Okay, now we have to subtract from the 1 by 3 by 8. Okay, it is right question. So this is 12 and this is a 13. Okay, 13 by 4 we have to subtract, this is 11 by 8. When you take the LCM, answer is 8. In 4 table, 8 is 2 times, so this is going to be 13 into 2, then it is minus. In 8 times, it is going to 11 into 1. So this is going to be 26 minus 11 by 8. When you subtract, it is going to be 5 and 15. This is going to be 8. Here, if you divide 8 into 15, then it is going to be 1 times, and how many left? That's the 7 is left. Okay, so we will write like that. Okay, this is our answer. Okay, this is our answer. And what I did it, I get into the long problem and explaining. Okay, so the answer, so how many more cups of flour does C need? So we can write C need 1 by 7/8 cups of flour, you can write. Okay, so flour you can write here. Okay, so this is over. Okay now let's see our 6th question. Okay, actually I have to take the question paper and look it, because you are getting a lot of, you are not, I am only. Abdul is preparing for his final exam. He is he has completed 5 by 12 part of his course content. Find out how much courses content is left. Okay, that's the amazing question. Abdul is preparing for his final exam. He has completed 5 by 12 part of his course content. Out of how much courses content he left? Okay, so the total content is 12 by 12, because it is written 5 by 12. So the last number is 12 only na, because I tell you, because I have 8 chocolates. In 8 chocolates I already gave you 4 chocolates to you. Then how many chocolate it is left? Then you will say you have 8 chocolates, brother, and you 4 already given, then 4 is left only. So here you see he completed, there is a 12, the final is 12. Out of 12 he did 5. Then what is left? When you subtract, you will understand there is only 7 only na. So what we have to do, we have to subtract. So we have to write 12 out of 12. So we will not do like that. What we have to do, we will simply do, what the question is there, we will write like that. It is given, right? 5 by 12, write 5 by 12. But we don't do right. We will write directly here. First we will write that question. This is 5 by 12, write 5 by 12. Now write here 12, directly 12, and here write 1, because we know that we have to directly write like that, because we know there is nothing, it is here. So when you take the LCM, it is going to be 12. In one table 12, so actually it is going to be mistake something. We have to write 12 by 12 only, because it is last 12 is there, so it is last 12, so 12 is there, so it is going to be 12. In 12 it's going to be 12 only, so 5. So the answer is 7 by 12. Simple, because 5 by 12 is there, so finally is 12 only. So out of 12 I written 12 by 12, because the full is 12 by 12 only, because I have 8 chocolates, then 8 by 8. If I give 4 to you one, then 8 by 4 it is become. Then how many lefts? When you subtract with this one only, you will get how many left? It is 4 is left, like that only. The marks is 12 by 12. So how many they already take it? 5 by 12 it is already taken. Then how many left? 7 by 12 is left. Okay. So if you have doubt, then you can match this with your answer. Let me match this one only. Okay. So but let's find this one here. Okay, so now you can find this question here. This is our last question. I think it's going to be 1 hour. Okay, but what can I do? So our answer is 7 by 12. So find out this. Find the perimeter of ABC. So this is a this is a B, and this is a E, ABE. We have to find the perimeter. Perimeter, you know, 2 cross L plus B. This is our perimeter. Simply. Okay, so perimeter is simple, but here it's already given. So this is a triangle. We have to find the perimeter of triangle. So you can see what is the perimeter here. The perimeter size is like that. This is like that, because this is A, this is B, this is E. It's already given. This is given. A is given like something. It is given. This is given 3 1 by 3, and here it is given. This is given like 2 1 by 5 it is given, and this part is given 4, and 2 by 3 it is given. Okay, now what we have to do, now we have to when we add, because all sides are given now, so we will add like that. So we will add like here. So this is 1 by 3 plus 2 1 by 5 plus this is 4 2 by 3. Now what we have to do, when we before adding this one, one thing you have to know about it. Okay, so actually this diagram is there. Actually I will have to take this diagram. Okay, no, that much not. Okay, it is totally like that. Okay, leave it like that. Okay, so now here we will do this. 9 plus 1, that's 10. So we will write 10 by 3. Now here 2 10, this is going to be 11 by 5. Okay, and this is 4 here. 12 13 14, this is going to be, okay, this is plus 14 by 3. If you take the LCM, then let's take the LCM. This is 3, this is 5, this is 3. LCM is 1, this is 5, this is 1. This LCM is 15. In 3 table 15 is how many times? It is in the 5 times. So this is 10 into 5, this is going to be plus. In 5 table 15 3 times, so 11 into 3, then it is plus. In 3 table 4 times. Okay, in 5 times only. Okay, now so what we have to do now, again, this is 10 into 5 15, that's plus. 11 into 3, that's 33, plus 14 into 5, that's 22 7 17. Okay, now this is 15. Now what we have to do, we have to add 5 plus 7, that's 12. Okay, 13 14 and 15, 153 by 15. This is our answer, or you can write in this like that also, 10 by 15 by 3. You can write like that. So this is our answer. This 2 is our answer. You can see. Okay, so the answer is like that. Okay, you can write here. So we will write our answer. So answer is here. We can write 153 by 15, or you can write like that, 10 15 or 3. You can write like that. Okay, and now I can now we have to go through the second one here. So second one, what we have to do, let's see this one. So in second one, generally I can erase this one. In second one, we have to find this area, like BCD area. Okay, we have to find B area, B or C. This is a BC area and DE area, CD area, okay, and DE area, this one. So actually here it is given, this part. Okay, if you see this one figure, this figure is like that. Okay, in this figure, this portion is already given. It is given 1 by 2 by 2. 1 by 2 by 5. Okay, this is portion. Already this portion is given. This portion is also given, 1 by 2 by 3. So it means that it is there, it is also same. It is there, it is also same. Both are same only. So what we have to do here, we will apply the formula length plus breadth wala. Okay, this is a formula we will apply. So what we have to add first of all. Then we will write like this. This is a 2 1 by 5 plus 1 2 by 3. Okay, now we have to do this one. So this is a 2, this is a 10, 11 by 5 plus this is a 3 plus 2 5. Okay na? Okay, this is a 10 11. Okay, this is. Now when we take the LCM, this is, leave it like that. Okay, so when you take the LCM of 11 and 5, this is going to be 15. If you take the 5 and 3 LCM, that's 15. In 5 table 15, 5 table 15 is 3 times. Then this is going to be 11 into 3 plus, in 3 table 15 3 times, 5 times. Then 5 into 5. Okay now, this is going to be 33 plus 25 by 15. So it is going to be how much? It is going to be 8 and 5, that's the 58 by 15. And now it is multiplied by 2. So this is going to be 2 cross, okay, here like that. Okay, 2 by, this answer is 58 by 15. So when you write this one, so it is going to be 2 cross 58 by 15, and when you multiply this one, it is going to be 16, 1, it is 10 and 11, and this is 15. Okay na? And when you do this, if you like, I can say, when you divide this, you will get the answer also. So till it is till here only. Okay, this is a 1165. So which figure has greater perimeter by how much? So which figure have greater perimeter? So if you see, the first perimeter is 153 and this perimeter is this is 163. So which perimeter is greater? This perimeter, the first perimeter is greater. So what we write? We will write the first perimeter. Okay na? Okay, so the first we will write here. This is the last one. Okay na? The first perimeter is greater, or how much, and that is how much it is greater. When we divide this one, when we subtract, we will get. So the first one, how much it is? It is 153 by 1 by 153. The first one is 153 by 15, and the second one is 116. That is 116 by 15. So when you subtract this one, we will understand which is greater or which is loss. It means which is very low. So this is going to be 153 minus this is going to be 116, though it is going to be 37 by 15. So the first perimeter is greater, that is 37 by 15. That is going to be 37 by 15. So this is the answer. Okay, so this is your answer of the 7th one, and this is completed, and I hope you don't have any kinds of doubt regarding to this one. And if you have any doubt, because I give my 100% in this one, but then after also if you have doubt, then don't worry. Whenever you get doubt, you just write in the comment where you get doubt, or if you have any doubt in another subject, or if you didn't understand anything, then just write your doubt in the comment. I will make the video on your doubt, and I definitely solve your doubt by making video, by explaining to you. Okay, by any way. Okay, so let's see you in the next video.